The INS 551 is an Indian Naval Air Squadron based at INS Hansa, Goa. History. In its early form the squadron existed as the Naval Jet Flight at Sulur, which was set up in September 1957 and was equipped with 4 Vampire aircraft. The first flight commander was LTCDRBD Law. In June 1959 the naval jet FLT was reconstituted as INS 550A. The third FLT-CDR of the NJFLT Raj Anderson became the first squadron commander of INS 550A, redesignated and commissioned as INS 551 on 5 September 1961. A year later Seahawks from INS 300 were also inducted into the squadron. The role of the squadron was to train pilots towards tactical flying and air combat on the Vampire. Before the pilots left for INS 300, they were converted on Seahawks. The squadron was, thus, a feeder squadron for fighter pilots into naval aviation. The squadron inducted Kiran Mki in 1970 and commenced fighter training on these aircraft. An advanced version of the Kiran Mk2 was inducted in 1986. In 1990, the Sea Harrier Operational Flying Training Unit was set up and INS 551 was bifurcated into 2 flights. INS 551A operated the Kirans and INS 551B operated the Sea Harriers, undertaking conversion onto the aircraft for pilots joining INS 300. In May 2003, the squadron added another feather to its cap when it set up a naval aerobatic team, the Sagar-1 operating Kiran Mk2 jets. The Indian Navy, thus, became only the second navy in the world after the U.S. Navy to have an active fixed-wing aerobatic team. The squadron conducts naval orientation courses for pilots before they progress onto the Sea Harrier and the MiG-29K aircraft. Pre-qualified flying instructor course training is also conducted for Naval and Coast Guard pilots. The squadron continues to fulfill its role of training budding naval fighter pilots till date. Many an aviator has passed through its hallowed portals.